Back in 1962, I was a junior in high school, and I bought an album by Joan Baez, and one of the songs on the album had a profound effect on me, and the lyrics went something like this: just a little rain falling all around, and the grass lifts its head to the heavenly sound. Just a little rain, just a little rain. Just a little boy standing in the rain. The gentle rain that falls for years. The grass is gone. The boy disappears. The rain keeps falling like helpless tears. Just a little rain.